So hey guys, Manu this side once again and welcome to another new video where we are going to discuss a very crucial factor today, that is how you can differentiate your agency from any other agencies out there. And this is super important because there are a lot of agencies right now in this game and you have to differentiate your agency in order to become the number one choice for your clients. So this video is going to be very much helpful if you want to do the same, that is you want to differentiate your agency from the rest of the others. And if your answer is yes, then don't skip this video, watch it till the end, and if you're ready, then let's start. So the number one point I'll like to refer here is show them what you actually are going to do. Yes, this is one thing that a lot of people are not doing in the industry. They want their formula, they want their technique to be secret because they think that if they show that online, their customers may think that okay, this if this is they're going to do, then we can do it by ourselves, right? But this is not going to happen. Believe me guys, this do not happens because if somebody is on a call with you, they are discussing about the future potential opportunities, they are stuck, right? And that is why they are on this call and there they need your help. So do not hesitate showing them what you actually going to do, right? What you are actually going to do is something, if you show them, they will gain trust on you, right? Because a lot of people who want their techniques to be secret end up ruining the sales call, end up ruining the consultation call, right? Because they try to share as little as possible and that becomes skeptical for that potential client, right? And whenever a client is skeptical about whatever you are talking about and or whatever you are going to do, they are not going to do business with you, right? So if you are an agency who is growing, who want to scale, my number one recommendation will be to show them, your potential client, the back end scenario, right? What you do and what you are going to do with their business as well. And this will eventually increase the credibility because now they know, if only if you are showing the right thing, they will know that yes, you are going to do these things and eventually these things will be increasing their revenue, their profits, their business. But if you don't show those back end things, right, you still can get clients. I'm not denying it, but the simple fact is that you will be competing with lots of other agencies. The client is going to be on another sales call, or maybe they have already had another sales call before they have started with you. So the simple thing to differentiate your agency with another agency will be to show them the backend plan, that yes, really we have a process set up, right? This process, we go through this process for any single business and we deliver results. So this behind the scene approach will be giving you differentiating factor for your agency. Now the point number two is walking them through the entire process that you follow to go deliver the results. Yes, this is another point that a lot of agencies are not doing, and that can make you what is say unique, and that can make you unique is walking through step by step what are the steps that you follow to deliver the results. In previous point I discussed that you should give them the behind the scene approach. This is kind of similar, but here what you actually can do is you can show them the steps, exact steps that you follow for an agency who signs up the deal with you. What are the steps actually you follow to give them the results, and that will actually give them the trust factor to work with you. Because a lot of agencies, they don't have any process. They try a lot of things and then they figure out what to do with the client, and in the middle of that trial and error, they actually lose, number one, the potential clients, the faith of the client, and number two is a lot of time and resource. But if you can actually show your potential client the steps that you have already, like the SOPs that you have already, that you follow to go from what level they are right now and what level they want to achieve, then my friend, that will be a boost in the trust factor that will differentiate your agency from other agencies for sure. So make sure you walk them through the entire step-by-step process that actually you take whenever you are signing up a new client. Point number 3 is showing them the visual representation or a PPT, right? So all these points will be interrelated. So you might think that I'm repeating the same point in another way. You can say that, but these are very small things that end up being a big factor while signing up a client. So what do I mean by visual representation, right? Okay, I'll be just adding another screen recording over here so that you can understand what do I mean by a document or a PPT. Actually here you have to show them the what to say, the chart, the flow chart, that kind of thing, or the mind map kind of thing, so that they can understand that after this process comes this, and then this, all those testing factors, all those trials, whatever you are going to do, you can do it in a visual representation as well. So it will be very much easier for your clients to understand actually that okay, these are the steps are being followed, right? And it will be on one look they can understand the process. Don't make it super complicated, right? But obviously if you have a complex structure, show them, do not hesitate, do not make it over simple, otherwise they will think that you are not you will be not able to make it. So whatever structure you have, try to put in on a mind map, or the best thing you can do is go to Funnelytics. It's a free tool. You can make a mind map kind of thing on all those pages that you need if you are building a funnel, right? So you can create an entire visual funnel for your clients in Funnelytics. So you can show these kind of documents, or maybe if you are not that much technical stuff, or you are tech challenged, so you can just create your SOPs or documents in Google Doc, right, or Google Slides, and you can show that to the customers, right? Because that will for sure give them a visual representation that will be making a good impression of them on your process, right? So make sure you are using visuals whenever possible, because a lot of agencies may not have those type of work which they can actually represent through visual graphics. But if you have one process set it up already, you should always use visual graphics, because it is something that create trust in a fraction of a second. And this point number 4 is super important, guys. A lot of people miss this, and this is the outcome. People talk about the process, people talk about their results, but they forget to talk about the outcomes of this particular sales call. So what you have to do to differentiate your agency from others is to talk more about the outcomes that you are going to deliver for their business. Because people do business with you for results. People do not do business with you for the sake of doing business. They are coming to you because they want certain results from you. So why not discuss those outcomes that you're going to give, or that you are promising? Correct? So make sure you are talking a lot about the outcomes that you are going to deliver, or that you think that you can deliver, or that you have delivered for your clients previously, so that the prospect on the call becomes comfortable, because you are talking more about the results, the numbers, the figures, because it's all, the money is all about the numbers, right? This is a number game. So whenever you discuss numbers, people are get confident about you. They start understanding that yes, you are the guy who knows what are the numbers in the industry, what are the numbers that you can provide, what is the numbers you have provided for your clients previously. And if you can make them believe that these are the numbers that you can achieve for them, then definitely they are going to love it. They are going to love it, my friend. Take a note of this word. If you can make them satisfied that yes, I can achieve this number for you, that can be there cannot be any other thing better than that. They may sign the deal then and there, right? So make sure you are talking about the outcome on the sales call a lot, right? Rather than being talking more about the process, the technical stuff and all, right? So talk about the outcome. That was the 4th tip. Let's move on to the last tip of this video, that is offer a guarantee, or something we call is the risk reversal. So what is the risk reversal? It is simply a factor that actually make the client believe that they are not going to be get cheated. Yes, my friend, this is very important because a lot of agencies who are starting out their business or who are not that much expert in their field, they do business with a lot of people. Maybe whoever is your next client, they have previously worked with a small agency or a very new agency who have failed to deliver the result, and they have burnt their cash, their resources, their time, and now they will be always skeptical when they are on call with you. So if you can give them that risk reversal thing, the risk reversal factor, they will be very much happy and they will feel safe and secure to do business with your agency. And how you can do that? By providing a lot of guarantees, right? What kind of guarantees you can use? There are a lot. Number one can be a money back guarantee, but a lot of people don't dare to do this because, like in this service sector, anything can happen. So service sector, a lot of people don't provide the money back guarantee directly, but if you are in the product business, or if you have confidence in your service, you can definitely give money back guarantee. Say for example, 30-day money back guarantee, 60-day money back guarantee. And a money back guarantee is a short way to do the risk reversal for your client. They will be believing in you that yes, if they are giving the money back guarantee, they are so much confident, so they will be giving you the business, right? So this is another thing that you can do to differentiate your agency. There are a lot other types of guarantees as well. Say for example, what I actually provide to my clients is a 2x results guarantee. That is right. And there is no one in the industry I have seen offering this massive guarantee. And what we do is we offer a 90 days 2x result guarantee, which is if you invest $1,000 with us, we'll be giving you 2,000 within 90 days. If you invest with us 10,000, we'll be giving you 20,000. If you invest 100,000 or a million, we'll be giving you 200,000 or 2 million. That is a 2x guarantee that we provide with our to our clients, right? And this actually helped us to scale our agency very quickly. Actually, when previously we were not using this particular technique, the 2x guarantee technique, but when we started using it, we actually saw a more than 80% growth on a month-on-month basis in our agency, right? We went from 5 figures to 6-figure agency within 2 to 3 months, we using this particular risk reversal technique. So I'll be like telling you to use this, right? I'll be recommending you use either this or any kind of money back guarantee or any kind of guarantee, not only money back. Some people like lawyers, doctors, they don't give the money back guarantee, they give the emotional guarantee that okay, I'll stay with you until this case is resolved, or until this your medical emergencies have been sorted out. So these kind of guarantees, there are a lot of type of guarantees, or I should say risk reversal, right? Some people even give more than money back guarantee, like they will refund you the money whatever they have charged, as well as they will be giving you all those bonuses for free, that you keep those bonuses. If you are like asking for a money back guarantee, maybe you are not satisfied, then you keep these bonuses, I'll be refunding your money. So this is money back guarantee, like more than money back guarantee. They're giving you the money as well as they're giving you more values as well, valuable resources as well. So you can actually opt for this kind of more than money back guarantee as well. Like take all those bonuses, keep it with you, and I'll be refunding you the money as well if I am not successful, whatever I have claimed to prove, right? So all this kind of risk reversal techniques actually will differentiate, because a lot of agencies out there in the service industry, they are not providing any guarantee because they are also not sure, right, about whether they could deliver the results or not. So if you are somebody who can, or who believes that yes, I should provide a risk reversal, should definitely do it, because it will give you another boost on the trust factor, and it will differentiate your agency from any other agency. So hope you like these 5 points, and if you liked it, just give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you are new, because I upload this kind of client getting techniques on this channel. And make sure to check out Facebook group, the link will be in the description, and follow me on Instagram, because there I provide a lot of short contents, a lot of like what to say, golden nuggets that you can use in your like business that I don't share in this YouTube channel as well. So join my group to get more client getting techniques, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Manu this side. Bye bye.